Hey guys, I here from the Art Gear Guide. I've just wanted to do this little Patreon advertisement so that I can have it up on YouTube and I can pass it around every now and again when new subscribers come to the channel, hopefully in the future. Anyway, this is just a quick recap on the Art Gear Guide Patreon channel. First of all, I just want to apologise for the lack of content lately. It's not fair on those who pay the monthly fees. However, things are about to change. With the way YouTube are running their platform at the minute, and the way things are just generally in the world, with everybody's financial life being very, very tight, I'll be putting much more effort into the Patreon channel. So hopefully those on the Patreon channel following the Art Gear Guide will feel like that they are getting value for money. I've just uploaded a new real-time tutorial of the Tiger Lilies I originally drew when I was doing the Staedtler SuperSoft Colored Pencil review. A lot of people liked them, so I thought a tutorial would be helpful. But this time I used the Derwent Lightfast Colored Pencils on the Derwent Lightfast Paper. So good quality pencils on good quality paper, and the result is quite different. But if the Tiger Lily Colored Pencil tutorial is not your thing, there are lots of other tutorials here on the Art Gear Guide Patreon channel. I've tried to add as many different tutorials as possible, using different mediums and not just sticking to colored pencils, such as graphite, marker and colored pencil, mixed media, soft pastels or pastel pencils, watercolor, and of course colored pencil. Most Patreon creators provide different levels or tiers as they're known, each one costing a little bit more than the lower tier. For the more expensive tiers, you may be given additional videos or postcards or merch, but something different will be given for each additional tier that you pay more money for. But here on the Art Gear Guide, I've chose a different method. There are different levels or tiers starting at $2, $5, $10 and $15. But there's no difference between the tiers. I've left it completely down to you as to how much you would like to donate for these real-time tutorials. But I also want the tutorials to be accessible for those who are on a strict budget, with $2 being the lowest tier I could provide. I know what it's like not being able to afford things, and so I wanted these tutorials to be available for people in the same situation as me. I originally started this Patreon channel as a way for people to make safe and secure monthly donations. Then I started adding the tutorials, and so hopefully now you can see that it's growing into something worthwhile. If you decide to join, as well as the newest tutorials, you will also have access to all of the previous tutorials, so such as this colored pencil bumblebee, which I love, this beautiful silhouette watercolor sunset, or this pastel kingfisher on pastel mat. This is using soft pastels and I think a little bit of pastel pencil in there as well. This realistic botanical bunch of grapes, or why not try these beautiful graphite pieces. There's a ballet slippers, or this really simple rope. If fan art is your thing, then try this color pencil and marker piece of the Star Wars character General Grievous. You could also try your hand at this tiger colored pencil piece, or even this simple colored pencil piece of a rabbit. There are many other real-time tutorials for you to choose, not just the ones I've listed, with lots more to come, along with my in-depth breakdown of the various different papers that you can use, how I personally categorize colored pencils, exercises for you to do before starting a project, and so much more. To join me on Patreon is a huge, massive support for me and the channel. But I sincerely hope it also provides you with learning techniques, colored pencil tips, and passing on almost 10 years experience of testing, demonstrating and reviewing art supplies from all over the world. Whilst I want support for the art gear guide so that I can keep going on with tutorials and reviews and things like that, it's important to me for you to feel like you're getting value for money whenever you support the channel. Anyway, thank you so much for your support, and I look forward to seeing you in the next Patreon tutorial for the art gear guide. Thank you so much, guys.